Hey, how you doing, man?
Hey, I'm good. How you doing?
I'm doing great. How can I help you?
I'm looking for a car.
Any particular?
I'm looking for a Dodge Hellcat.
For who?
A Dodge Hellcat.
We don't sell Hello Kittens here. They got a pet store down the street. If you want to go there.
What does that even mean?
What you mean? You say you're looking for a Hello Kitten, right?
I'm looking for a Dodge Hellcat.
Oh, like the car.
Yeah.
Okay. How's your credit? You want to put a down payment or anything? Like how you want to do
I
it?
don't want to put nothing down. Got about 400
About 400 what?
credit score.
And you want a Hellcat?
Mm-hmm.
The engine size is bigger than that. Than your credit score.
I can make monthly payments. You know, I got a good job. I just,
Monthly payments?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. What year are you looking for?
2025.
A who?
2025.